Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching Crime Tak English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. Now yesterday we spoke about Sushant Singh Rajput's childhood, his school days, little bit about the family, his college days, he making it to silver screen and then becoming a great Bollywood star. Now today we are gonna speak about Sushant Singh's personal life, his family, his relationship with his family members, sisters, mother, father, and also about his love life. People who dated, people he thought of marrying, people who were very close to him. We're gonna speak about it. So, to start with, as we know that Sushant Singh Rajput was youngest in the family, and when you are youngest, especially in North India, and I think it is across country, when you are the youngest, you are loved by everyone. And because he had four sisters, Sushant was loved by everyone, from the youngest sister to the eldest sister. Everyone loved Sushant Singh Rajput. Mother, Sushant was very close to mother. Mother was very close to Sushant. She passed away in 2002, and that was very troubling period for Sushant Singh Rajput. And till last day, till the day he died, he was missing his mother every day. Now, in family, Sushant Singh Rajput was known as Gulshan. His nickname was Gulshan. So, all the sisters, father, mother, they all used to call Sushant Singh Rajput as Gulshan. So, in family, he was loved by everyone. When it comes to the relatives, he was loved by his uncle, aunts, but there was no one who would hate Sushant Singh Rajput. So he was loved by everyone as far as the family is concerned. Later on, when you start growing, then it is natural to fall in love with someone. But for Sushant Singh Rajput, it was in very early days. Very few people know about this. But Sushant Singh Rajput fell in love when he was in class 4th. So when I came to know, it was very surprising for me. But uh, Sushant Singh Rajput fell in love in class 4th, and it was not with any classmate, not with any girl or someone from the neighbor. It was the class teacher of Sushant Singh Rajput who he fall in love. But during an interview, he said that he never proposed the class teacher because he wanted to pass at least the examinations. So nothing happened in that love. But later on, he took gap of 5 years, and when he moved to class 9th, that is when he again fell in love with a girl of similar age from the same school. So when he fell in love with that girl, it was the first time that he went out with a girl, and it was a romantic affair, you can say, but not a very not a very deep relationship where a person is around that love all the time. So again, he moved on, the girl moved on, nothing happened in that affair also. But when he moved to college, Delhi College of Engineering, when he moved to college, so he was getting some scholarship because he was scholar. He had won a national Olympiad in astrophysics. So when he got little bit of money, then he bought a bike, and when he bought a bike, then he went on a date. It was the first date of Sushant Singh Rajput when he was in first year of college. So that is when he moved from loving a person to dating a person. He was in Delhi, and that was a period when it was necessary for Sushant Singh Rajput to move on, because just few years back Sushant had lost his mother, and when he lost his mother, it was a very difficult phase for him, because he was really close to his mother, and it was difficult for him to accept the fact that the person he loves the most is no more in his life. So it took many years for Sushant Singh Rajput to come over this fact that his mother is no more. And when he moved from Patna to Delhi in 2002, and he did his class 12th and then moved to college. Then there was need of change, and I think it was God grace that he moved on. He started dating people, but soon after he dropped out of the college, and then he moved to Mumbai. And when he moved to Mumbai, then initially it was Shyamak Dawar's dancing class. Later on, he joined theatre. He was spotted by Balaji Telefilms employee, and then he got a break in Pavitra Rishta. So it was year 2009, and this photo, all of us are familiar with this photo. So Pavitra Rishta poster photo, very popular TV show. So this was second TV break for Sushant Singh Rajput. The first one was also from Balaji Telefilms. This was the second one, Pavitra Rishta. And Ankita Lokhande was playing the role of Sushant Singh Rajput's wife. It was year 2009 when both of them started meeting on the sets, and soon they became friends. Now, what I gathered that initially Ankita Lokhande never liked Sushant Singh Rajput. She thought that Sushant Singh Rajput is an arrogant person. He is from Bihar, whereas Ankita Lokhande is a Maharashtrian woman. So this is what I have heard. I don't know how true it is. But later on, when she realized that this is a very innocent person, very lovable person, and he is someone who is always honest, and that is when their friendship turned into love, and both of them started dating each other. So it was a very good relationship, you can say, very healthy relationship, but they were moving gradually in life as well as in professional life. There are, I think, some photos I have of Sushant Singh Rajput with Ankita Lokhande. You can see this photograph. It is from Instagram. See this photo. Sushant Singh Rajput with Ankita Lokhande. Clearly you can see that both of them were in love. Again this photo you can see. So they were celebrating life together actually. It was I think the longest Sushant Singh Rajput was with anyone when it came to Ankita Lokhande. So both of them started dating. They were attending parties together, they were throwing parties for each other. The close friend circle of Sushant Singh Rajput was aware of the fact. And Sushant Singh Rajput was a person who would never intend to, when it comes to the private life of Sushant Singh Rajput, it was not actually private. He was openly accepting this fact that he and Ankita Lokhande, they are dating. And later on what happened is Sushant Singh Rajput took a break from TV serials, and then he went to US for his acting classes. In 2011 he was offered this film Kai Po Che, and in 2011 he went to US, America, to get the acting classes. And when Sushant was in US, Ankita Lokhande was in India, then there was a period which was not very good for them, and it was basically because they were in technically long distance relationship. So this was happening with Sushant Singh Rajput also, Ankita Lokhande also, but still they were managing it very strongly. And when Sushant Singh Rajput came back from US, everything was fine. But Sushant Singh Rajput had dreamed to make it to Bollywood. And when Kai Po Che was released in 2013, that is when Sushant Singh Rajput was touching the skies. The film was not only critically acclaimed by the critics, but also it was a commercially hit movie. And for Sushant Singh Rajput, or for that matter for any actor, your first movie getting hit, if you are from a non-filmy background, then it is something which is known as big achievement in your career. And that is what Sushant Singh Rajput was doing at that point of time. But again, the relationship between Ankita Lokhande and Sushant Singh Rajput, it was smooth but with hurdles. There were little bit of fights between both of them. And there was a scene of Sushant Singh Rajput with an actress, kissing scene, and there were reports that Ankita Lokhande was very upset with Sushant Singh Rajput, in real life, not in real life, in real life kissing Pariniti Chopra. So that was for a movie, and there are reports that they fought about this episode, that Sushant Singh Rajput kissed Pariniti Chopra while shooting for a movie. It was demand for that scene. Uh, Again, things were better, but not very smooth. It was not a very smooth ride. But in between, they thought, let's start a beginning. And Sushant Singh Rajput and Ankita Lokhande, they actually thought of marrying each other. So there are reports that they both had planned their marriages, they both had planned their life together. And Sushant Singh Rajput was someone who wanted to settle in life. He was never against marriage, he was never against having children, he was never against a family. And this is said in one interview also. And Sushant Singh Rajput and Ankita Lokhande, they both were planning, if I'm not wrong, the destination, how the wedding will be, everything was almost decided. But it was here 2014 and 2015 when both of them decided mutually to part ways. And this parting ways was basically because both of them wanted to focus on their professional life, and in personal life, because it was not a very smooth ride for both of them, they thought that it is best for both of them to give it a break, and they broke up. Now, but Sushant moved ahead in his life. But again, Sushant was successfully doing movies. He was getting one after one offers for movies, and that is when he started meeting other actresses also. And when he met other actresses, now it is not confirmed. It was not confirmed because Sushant never accepted, the other actresses never accepted this fact, but there were reports that when Sushant Singh Rajput was shooting for a movie with Kriti Sanon, then they were having an affair. Now, in an interview, Kriti said that it was a good friendship, it was a good understanding between both of them, but they are not in a relationship. Sushant also never confirmed that they are into a relationship. Then this happened for at least a year or two, and they were spotted by people in Mumbai, they were spotted by the photographers, they were spotted in parties together. So there was a very strong rumor that both of them are dating, but as I said, this was not confirmed by anyone. Now, as far as Sushant Singh Rajput's friend circle is concerned, and this you will find very interesting, this was told by someone who was very close to Sushant Singh Rajput. So Sushant Singh Rajput, he had ambition of Bollywood, but he never wanted to settle in Bollywood. From Bollywood, he had very few friends. And why? Because he thought that people from Bollywood are not honest, they are not very natural when it comes to life, they fake their life. And I can understand actually that a person who has come from Bihar, who has seen life from middle class to making it to the top Bollywood star, the A-lister, Sushant Singh Rajput was always in touch with his college friends, and there were 3-4 college friends who used to go to Mumbai and then hang around with Sushant Singh Rajput. So what they used to do, they used to sit at Sushant's residence, at his apartment for 3-4 days. They will go for 3-4 days, and they'll stay with Sushant Singh Rajput, and Sushant Singh Rajput and those 3-4 friends, they will do party, they will sing together, they'll enjoy their life together. This was told by someone who is very close to Sushant Singh Rajput, and that person met Sushant Singh Rajput just few days before he died, and it was 2 o'clock according to that person when Sushant Singh Rajput moved from all the topics and he started talking about astrophysics, his passion, you can say, his passion for life, astrophysics. Then he took everyone to the balcony, and then I showed you the photograph also, the telescope. from telescope he started showing them stars and everything. So this is how Sushant Singh Rajput was. Later on, Sushant Singh Rajput, I talked about Kriti Senon. Later on, he also, there were rumors that he dated other actresses also, because there are no confirmed reports. I do not want to take their name, but there are 2-3 actors rumored girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, but it was not confirmed by Sushant or anyone, so I will not take their names. Now, coming to the person who has been in limelight, Riya Chakravarti. So Sushant Singh Rajput met Riya Chakravarti through an actress who was very close to Sushant Singh Rajput before Sushant met Riya Chakravarti, and there were reports that Sushant Singh Rajput was dating that woman. But during a party, Sushant Singh Rajput met Riya Chakravarti, and when they met, they started talking to each other. They exchanged their number, and Sushant Singh Rajput was someone who believed in honesty. So Sushant Singh Rajput spoke to Riya Chakravarti, they exchanged number, and then they started dating each other. It was year 2019, and if I can show you the photographs of Sushant Singh Rajput, then you will understand how his relationship was with Riya Chakravarti. So this was a photograph shared by Riya Chakravarti. This photograph, you can see, this is an Instagram post of Riya Chakravarti. Sushant Singh Rajput with Riya Chakravarti, and again a very cute photo. So both were spotted by people in Mumbai circle when they were going to cafes and other places. They were spotted by each other, and Sushant Singh Rajput had planned to take his life further ahead with Riya Chakravarti. Again, there are reports that Sushant Singh Rajput wanted to marry Riya Chakravarti. Things were smooth between both of them till June 8, 2020, when Riya Chakravarti blocked Sushant Singh Rajput and moved from his apartment. Now, there was a dispute between both of them. What that dispute was all about, I have the entire story about it. I will tell you in the next coming episodes, but this is very important. So Riya Chakravarti and Sushant Singh Rajput started dating in 2019. Almost for a few months things were better. Sushant Singh Rajput planned for Riya Chakravarti's birthday. It was a grand celebration for Riya Chakravarti. Entire thing was planned by Sushant Singh Rajput, and Sushant Singh Rajput always believed in honesty and making the partner happy, and that is why he was gifting, right from Ankita Lokhande to Riya Chakravarti. He was planning, he was gifting them things, so everything was planned. They both, Riya Chakravarti and Sushant Singh Rajput, they went on a trip to Ladakh also, to other places also. So everything was better, and it ended on June 14 last year. We'll talk about it later. But apart from that, as I was mentioning earlier, no, it was not only about women he dated. He was also close to the other people in the family members. So there is a photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput with niece, a very funny photo. And there is one video also, see. So the niece is showing Sushant Singh Rajput how to use Snapchat. Again, photograph with other younger family members. So this is how Sushant Singh Rajput's personal life was. He was also close to sisters with Shweta Singh. And about Sushant Singh Rajput, one thing was very special. No matter he was with anyone, it doesn't matter. What matters is how he was with them. And with everyone, he was honest. with everyone he was happy, and he tried to keep them happy, and that is what is important as man. And that is what he told during an interview. It is important to understand and understood in a relationship, and this line I found, understand and understood, this is something which is important in everyone's life, and Sushant Singh Rajput knew this very well. So this was about Sushant Singh's personal life. Again tomorrow, same time at 10 p.m. on Crime Tech English, I will be back with another episode. Remember, we are doing 6 episodes on Sushant Singh Rajput. This is dedicated to Sushant Singh Rajput, and in the 3rd episode, we'll again talk about something very interesting about the person who was loved by everyone. Thank you so much for watching this.